LED Curved Linear Light Installation Guide. Before start, check the delivery note inside the box. You will get 3 important info to help on installation. Number 1, product list. You will have the detail list of products in the delivery. Check well and make sure you have everything you need. Number 2, the power distribution table. It shows where the driver been installed and the segments it needs to control in total. Number 3, design blueprint. The drawing will indicate how the entire design is divided into multiple segments, with each segment labeled with numerical identifiers at both ends. For example, you will see here is 7 segment out from the 22, and 1 to 14 numerical identifier at both end. We have the same number label on the back side of light, so it is very easy to find and to assembling all in orders. Now you are ready to start. Identify the adjacent 2 segments of the light by the product label on the back side. The segment labels indicate the specific position of each segment within the entire design, along with numerical identifiers at both ends. Here is the segment number 2 numerical identifier is 3 and 4, and now we are ready to connect them together. First, place the accompanying screws into the connector piece, then insert them into one of the light segments. Use the provided tool to secure the connector. Wiring. To connect the red cable positive to red terminal, and black cable negative to blue terminal. Before connecting the 2 light, make sure the polarity is correct and the cable are well connected. Connect the 2 light segments as close as possible. And again fixing tight the connector. After all done, install the PC cover according to same number order. Please be noticed that the matte side of PC cover face outward. There are locking clips on the back side. Fasten the locking clips to reinforce the connection between 2 lights. Due to potential discrepancies in profile cutting, there may be gaps at the joints, resulting in light leakage once illuminated. Please use the provided glue to seal the gaps and try to spread it evenly to avoid affecting the appearance. Connect the LED curved linear light to a power source. Turn on the light to verify that it functions correctly and provides the desired illumination. Thanks for watching. Please contact us for more support.